trip to Jamaica.
What, Junior? Me get a bag of things. Look on this, Junior. Me get some fried fish.
But I don't like fish.
Yeah, look on this. Now get jackfruit, Junior. Junior, look on this, Junior. Curry powder, Junior. Yeah, look on this, Junior. Not one buckle of ketchup, but me get 2 different buckle of ketchup, Junior.
We have ketchup already.
Me get 1, but 2 bag of breadfruit, Junior. Me get 1, but 2 bag of sugar cane, Junior. Junior, me get rum. But guess what?
Let me guess. 2 bottles of rum?
No, Junior, me get 3 buckle. 3 buckle of rum, Junior.
But I'm too young to drink.
Look on them mango when me get you, Junior.
But you can buy mangoes at No Frills. Daddy, did you bring anything for me?
Oh, yeah, me have some for you too, Junior. Hey.
House?
Yeah, cause your mouth rank. But no frills. You can't get them that sweet mango on no frills. Go take your book. Right.